You can create such high quality motion graphics video trailer for your product, whether it's SaaS or any mobile app or any digital product, with the help of just Claude and Google Omni. And this video is a proper tutorial guide from starting to prompting and then at the end of a final production of the video. So just start with our first leading example. So first example I want to talk about is that is very close to my heart, which is about a product called Notion. So for example, we will take Notion.com. If you don't know what is Notion.com, this is the main website of Notion. And yep, it's a kind of note-taking app, and of course it's a productivity app, and I'm very sure most of you have already used it. But what we're gonna do is make a proper, cinematic trailer for this app. So if you're someone, who wants to launch your own stuff, you can get a lot of ideas from. And yep, let's start. So this is Claude. Yep, of course, this is Claude. And we have to prompt a very simple prompt like, hey, can you make a detailed prompt for my Google Omni model to create a my SaaS trailer for 10 seconds? For example, let's take this SaaS as Notion.com. Claude will take some time, do some research on the brand's branding, logos and stuff. And at the end, it will give you a proper prompt. So yep, you can scroll down and this is the prompt. So let's study the prompt for a second, then we will make a video out of it. Generate a 10-second cinematic SaaS product trailer for Notion.com. The visual style will be clean, modern, minimal, natural, white, and light gray tones. Of course, if you don't know, these are the tones that brand use. Now, the one thing you will see, it give you a proper time path of 10 seconds. For example, it took hook should be extremely close up of a clustered desk, sticky notes, open notebook, and a laptop screen with 5 overlapping browser tabs. 2 second to 4 second will be to split screen showing floating window, Slack, email and stuff with all the chaotic mess. So it creates a proper, messaging in the advertisement. And in the later 5 seconds of the video, we will have a smooth horizontal vibe to a clean, bright Notion workspace. And this is all. And you can see that by each second at the later last of the second, you can see it says fade to pure white background, Notion's logo appears centered, URL should be Notion.com, appears just below that. And of course we can have audios, we can have different cameras, smooth shot. And once we have this, the prompt is in front of you. By the way, I will leave this description link so you can just go and try on different prompts. Just copy this prompt and we will go to flow.google.tool. If you don't know, this is a tool that is definitely one of the best place to use Omni Video Agent by Google. This is the interface. All the link is in the description. You can just directly access that. So this is basically this input box. You can just click on this agent thing. And once you click on these settings, you will see this. There's like proper setup of which kind of model you want to use. Click on Google Omni, not Vio, Google Omni, and on the upper side you can just select Nano Banana Pro, because this is one of the model that is good at generating images. And once we have these things as it is, as the shown in the screen, just simply paste the prompt we already discussed and see our first video. The first video is insanely cool. It's a desk with sticky notes and proper laptop screen with a lot of stuff, clutter, and you can see a person, all these mess up is working on the laptop. You can see the proper screen with text places. And this is the best thing about Google Omni. You will have the best text rendering model ever by Google Omni. And okay, you can see already trailer by yourself. Now it's time to take it one step ahead and see some more examples, because we have so many examples. Alright, so I took it one step ahead, and this time I said, what? Just make it for ChatGPT. The same as it was. I said, make the motion graphic tailor and give me a proper detailed prompt so I can use them to create such high quality this. And you can see Claude give me a proper 10-second prompt. You can read this prompt, it's in front of you. Generate a 10-second motion graphic style SaaS product for ChatGPT. The critical style will be this must be 100% motion graphic, no live action footage, no real people, no stock photography. So it also giving you a proper negative prompt. Visual foundation should be, background near black, primary accent color, ChatGPT teal green, and it just gives you proper, color accents, so the quality stays consistent. And this is what I'm talking about. Whenever you guys ever, need to make these kind of stuff, make sure you have a proper consistent color setup themes, so your videos look less AI generated and more organic. And we can see this prompt is in front of you. I'll just copy this prompt quickly so video don't feel repetitive, and I'll go to flow tool again, and once we have this flow tool, we'll just simply copy it here and our video is in front of you. I know you will be shocked to see such a good quality motion graphic animation in just seconds. You can see the first ChatGPT appears and it says, write me a business communication plan and all that stuff. And you can see the screen zooms out and all the charts and green stuff appears. By the way, you can definitely improve it. This is just a way to show you the demonstration. If you're a pretty impressive guy who has skills of motion graphics, you can even edit it according to your needs. Just simply click on the video and you can make edit changes in front of you. But I have few more examples to show you, and the final example will blow your mind. Okay, so this example, this time I took a very interesting SaaS, not exactly a SaaS, but a mobile app, which is called WhatsApp. I've created a 10-second motion graphic style product for WhatsApp. Then you can see the prompt is like flat 2D motion graphics, Google material design inspired. Color palette should be WhatsApp green, and it gives you hex code for the color as a hero color, and the background, all these colors. Typography should be modern sans serif. If you want, different kind of font, you can just change it here, up to you. It says, bold headline should be tight letter spacing, and it should be mood would be energetic. Now it's time for scene to scene breakdown. So first 2 seconds would be a dark background, white search bubble icon drops from the top center of the frame with satisfying bounce. It morphs into the WhatsApp logo with a quick scale pop animation. Can you see the details? How detailed each second is, from taking the logo, from popping up with the scaling animation, then bold white headline slams in from below to say more. A very thin green line draws itself under the, and that's what I'm talking about. Once we have such huge detail collection by scene, our video do not look a generic one. You can see other scenes, like for example the 4-second one says it's swipe left to transition, reveal the floating smartphone mockup, flat 2D front facing, no perspective tilt, WhatsApp chat interface. So if you're for someone who wants consistent UI, you can even upload photos of a screenshot. But for now, I think WhatsApp is pretty much famous, so we don't need to need a UI photos for that. You can see all the scenes break down one by one. Let's see the last one. It has saying full dark background, WhatsApp logo reappears, centers with subtle green pulse, glow pulse. And if you look at this very downtime, you can see motion and animation rules would be 0.3 second max duration, ease out cubic easing, kinematic typography, text does not just appear, it moves purposefully, icon animation, morph, bounce, scale pop, no spin or rotation, camera movement, all motion is element level only. And if you look micro detail, it says subtle green glow on the key icons, slot drop over UI cards. And these are the details which I really wanted to show you, that how good Claude is. Of course, you guys can use this on any other model. In front of you, each scene which we talked about is here, and gosh, I hope you guys can say now that this is not a generic SaaS trailer. This is some insane level of motion graphics in just maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I mean, that's a crash course I just taught you guys. Okay, see, we have WhatsApp, we see Notion, we see ChatGPT. It's time to see some other application idea. For example, this time instead of taking some real name, I said, what, maybe what if we just make some imaginary SaaS and try to promote it. So I said, maybe do a trailer for a notes app, which should be Notes Plus. I did not give much of the direction. You can definitely give if it's on your app, you can definitely tell it all the stuff it needs. But I said, just app name should be and Notes Plus, and it should be minimal, and it should be a pretty cool. The tagline should be think clearly, note faster. And you can see it's a scene by scene breakdown in just 10 seconds. However, one interesting thing I want to show you guys is that scene 3 is pretty interesting, whether this Claude says quick cut frame splits using die. Even the best of the best motion graphic people don't know these kind of wordings, these kind of proper terms. And you can see the first motion graphic of our imaginary SaaS app. And oh gosh, this is so good, from the animation of a plus icon going to the text, and suddenly it's showing 5 lakh notes created every day. And this is what I'm talking about. This kind of creativity comes from different practice, and sometimes it comes when you use a good AI model for prompting. Okay, let's see our final example where I did one of the most hard work, if you guys say so. Okay, so this time I give a prompt, I create a proper, detailed prompt for my Google Omni model for a SaaS trailer. This time be a little smart, and this time our SaaS will be a app named Split Play. So Split Play, what it does is it split bills with friends instantly. It should be aesthetic, would be money green, floating receipt cards, animated coin tosses. And see our first trailer, you can see the dark greenish coin pops look, and it looks really well. Of course you can do it more better way. So if you have like proper experience with motion graphics and you're already a big founder, you can of course direct it in your own way. But I already told you guys the best crash course that you guys can take with the help of AI motion graphics. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.